And we are live. Welcome to the show, everybody. It's your favorite truck driver in the whole wide world. It's Bitcoin Ben, here for the daily. What the block is going on in cryptocurrencies in the world? My friends, today is going to be a very unique show. First off, we are going to talk about the Michael Saylor philosophy and how it's spreading. More and more corporations are figuring out if they put the Bitcoin on their balance sheet, it strengthens their appeal to investors because investors see it as Michael Saylor sees it, and how I have seen it with our venture capital group. Let me explain. All right, what Michael Saylor did was he took all of his dollars of his company and he purchased a bunch of Bitcoin. Then the shares of his company went up. So then he borrowed money against those shares. Then he bought more Bitcoin. And the value of his share went up. So he sold more shares and bought more Bitcoin. Rinse and repeat. Now, we have more and more announcements of other companies that are doing this. Now, one of them just did it. Let me get this like this. All right. The name of the company is MetaPlanet Inc. Look at this chart. Japanese public company, MetaPlanet stock is up almost 90% after they announced the Bitcoin strategy. Now, we have more and more companies that are doing this. Our venture capital fund, the Founders Group, we did that too. We collected our money together and we bought a bunch of Bitcoin, and now we are investing in companies using the appreciation of that Bitcoin. We started purchasing Bitcoin when it was about $20,000. I think the lowest we got it for was like 18 or 19,000. So we started doing this last year, right? Oh, hell yeah. Check out my new Nashville shirt. It's the Bitcoin Ben Crypto Club Nashville. Yeah, boy. All right. And this is how every company, how every family should do it. If you want your company to last a long time, this is how you do it. All right? Because now what we do is we invest in companies, and then as the price of the Bitcoin goes up, right, say, and this is hypothetical, say we have $1 million worth of Bitcoin, and we invest 150, right, right, and we invest $150,000 into a company, then the price of the Bitcoin goes up. So it's at $1 million. Then we invest 150, which drops us to 850. But then as the price of the Bitcoin goes up, we are back at $1 million. Then we invest in another company, 150. It drops. Then the price of the Bitcoin goes up. We're right back at $1 million. You see how that works? See, this strategy, it's why I timed everything like I did. Because I knew that right now and last year, judging by historical charts, that we would be in an upwave. This is how you take a little bit of capital and you make it into a lot of capital using the growth of the Bitcoin. See, a lot of people don't get this yet. And that's okay. That's okay. Not everyone, like me, has actually been in cryptos, right? Right? I have been in cryptos for almost 8 years now. I know the system. I know the cycles. I know how to time this all out. This is why it's so important that we do it like this. Because if you set it up right and you set your family up right, right? That's why I told you guys the next 4 years, you can set your family up for life. Generational wealth. I have been trying to explain this to people. Some are getting it, some are not. That's okay. Not everyone's gonna get it all the time. That's okay. Like I said, not everyone grasps or has the knowledge, right, that I have of this many years in cryptos. We are in the transition. And when I say the transition, that's what I mean. If you understand where we are at in the timeline of the transition, then you understand you got 4 years to use this transition to your generational wealth benefit. If you do it, if you do what I'm telling you to do, you will make it through this transition, and at the other side, you will be generationally wealthy because you will have taken the approach that Michael Saylor took, that I took, that a lot of other people have taken. And that's where, while everyone else is worried, right? While everyone else is worried about inflation, I'm not. Why? Because I've unplugged from the inflation system. And I'm in the deflation system, where everything is losing value against the Bitcoin and cryptos. This is why I have these clubs, because these clubs are going to help average Joes and average Janes adopt this life. You don't have to live in a world of inflation. It's a choice. You have a choice to get out of the world of inflation and get into the world of deflation, where as time goes by, everything gets cheaper to you and not more expensive. Here's an example. I have a Corvette, right? I have a beautiful blue Corvette. That thing's worth probably, I don't know, maybe $45,000 or $50,000. When I bought it, you know how much in real terms I paid for it? About $700. Because what I had earned some Bitcoin years ago. And when I earned it, it was worth about $700. I held it. Then I got that Corvette with that $700 worth of Bitcoin. So a $40,000 or $50,000 Corvette actually only cost me $700 in reality. That's the shift that you need to make. when you make the shift, you don't worry about the old system anymore. You don't. You reach a point where you don't even think about the old. Why would you? Why would you worry about the old system when you live in the new system that rewards you for every value you add to the community? All right, hang on 1 second. Word from the sponsor.
Ever wondered how safe your online activities really are? How secure is your digital footprint? In the vast realm of the internet, privacy and security are paramount. Without adequate protection, your personal data might be at risk. There are solutions to these issues, and today we're going to talk about 2 of them. Introducing Liberty laptops from CALIX Solutions. These cutting-edge devices are meticulously designed to bolster online privacy, providing you the liberty to surf the internet incognito. The World Wide Web can be a wild frontier, but with Liberty laptops, your online privacy is always protected. We also present you crypto laptops, designed with cryptocurrency users in mind. Equipped to support a myriad of wallets and exchanges, these laptops are tailored for seamless cryptocurrency transactions. They offer enhanced security protocols to keep your digital assets safe. Crypto laptops ensures a secure and smooth cryptocurrency experience. It's time to take control of your online privacy and security. Venture over to CALIX Solutions and explore our Liberty laptops and crypto laptops. Don't forget, our affiliate program lets you earn $50 per sale. Visit calixsolutions.io now or call 7028458276 for more information, because your online safety is our priority.
Okay, now off to the next topic. Listen, hang on 1 second. All right, let me read this. There we go. Now, the reason that this is so important that you do this, folks, is because of what's coming. All right? Let me show you something. This is a post from this morning. Amazon has started employing 2-meter-tall robots in their warehouses. Watch these things. Okay, let me. Folks, we are entering the next 2 years, and please listen to me. The next 2 years are going to be so radical in changing the industries, changing the companies, yes, humans are being replaced. Artificial intelligence is replacing humans. Robots are replacing humans. Now, that's okay. That's going to happen whether you want it to or not. You have to understand we are transitioning from a labor economy into an attention economy. The last thousands of years, all right, the last thousands of years, the economy was based on human labor. That's done with. Now, moving forward, the economy will be and is going to be human attention. Human attention will be the most valuable commodity and market in the world. All right. That's why I'm opening the clubs. That's one of the reasons I'm opening the clubs, because the future economy is experiences, human interactive experiences. That's the future economy. That's the economy now. We are transitioning into, if you can give, right? If you can give other humans an experience that is unique and fun and exciting and educational, you will prosper. That's what the clubs are about, is human experience, human joy, human knowledge, human curiosity, and blending that with education and adoption of the next monetary system, which is the Bitcoin. Human labor is going to be right. Human labor is completely, they are 3D printing houses. Now, we're going to go over to the private server and we're going to watch an interview of Alex Jones in 2017. Yes, you nailed it, Nash. Community will be huge. Yes, the value of everything will be based on the community. Hence, the clubs. The clubs and the social clubs and the social experiences will have value. Yes, luxury. Luxury will be what people want. I'm launching an idea with a friend of mine here in Florida. Think of luxury Uber. And that's what I'm launching. That's what we are launching. Luxury Uber. And that's the future, folks. People, everyone's sitting there thinking, oh, these driverless cars are just going to take over Uber. Yeah, they will. But there will be a market for people that want the human experience, the interaction. And that's where I'm moving, because I know the future value is in human attention, human want, human experiences. Now, we're going to jump over, all right? We're going to jump over and we're going to go to the private server. And we are going to watch an interview from Alex Jones from 2017. And I want you to listen to this. And he frigging nails it. You want to know where we're at right now? Listen to this interview with us of Alex Jones. Folks, you may think he's crazy, but the dude nails it. Nails it. All right, so we're jumping over to the private server right now. Folks, number one, like and subscribe to the channel you're watching right now. Number two, buy some Bitcoins. Number three, join the private server now and watch this interview with us. At the end of it, you'll be like, I'll be a son of a bitch. I mean, with Trump, with politics, with inflation, with aliens, he nails it. I'm telling you, folks, join now. All right, if you want to join the private server, you point your camera right there. That will take you to the link that will get you in to the private server. Now, there's also a link under here, private servers. And if you're watching on YouTube, just join the YouTube channel under private server. There's your link. On Rumble, same thing. Join Rumble Locals, choose private server level, and right there, you're right back here, and we're going through this. Folks, this is going to blow your mind. All right? Hold, please. Go into the private server.